walk all the way to where the chemical toilets are to use the alcohol gel to put on the knife. Let's see how far it takes for you to pick me up or not. Near the loo, guys. Let's go in there, get some alcohol gel. I don't want to get food poisoning. Squirty squirt on there. On the blade itself. I dangle it down. Let's do my hands. Just wipe the knife handle as well, and on there, and use the tissue. This is good audio test. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. If you can hear me, that's fucking amazing. Let's put that down the toilet. Flushy, flushy. That's it. Hopefully, I won't get food poisoning. Moves. Lovely. Less condensation tonight. Yeah, I might actually. Yeah, I've only got 2 joints left, so. Fuck. Right, now I'm happy with sanitised. That's been sanitised, so, and my hand. Right, see how these fucking sausages are doing. Turn. Nice. I did do burgers last time, it's just a bit too extreme. I love Cumberland sausages. Ah, you bitch. Ah, bitch. Might have to wear my gloves, mate. That's fucking hot as fuck. I don't do much cooking on my channel because I don't cook. I thought, fuck it, I fancy some real food, you know what I mean? Instead of MRE meals, if I've got the tools here. Lucky I brought the portable fire pit, really. Just stay there, you fucking shit. You're burning my fucking fingers. Stay. And this one. And you, fucking... Let's switch. That's fucking hot, mate. I know how to fucking make a fire, don't I? Yeah. Lovely. Right, let's move those embers around. So I've got a long pointy stick. Let's level these down a little bit. There's some embers here as well. Need. Put these at the back. Yeah. I can't wait to fucking eat that. Happy days. I've saved my milkshake IPA for last, so let's start another fucking video, guys. If you like, comment, subscribe, see you in another video.